Hi friends, welcome back our channel 10x Health and Nutrition. How to manage hormonal balance. The 5 action steps for hormonal balance. Number 1, great hydration. Second, healthy diet. Third, a regular movement. Fourth, good sleep. Fifth, reduced stress. How hormonal balance? Eat enough protein at every meal. Energy in regular exercise. Engage in regular exercise, maintain a moderate weight, take care of your gut health, lower your sugar intake, try reduction techniques, consume healthy fats, get in consistent high quality sleep, follow a high fiber diet, consider following the Mediterranean diets or nutritional dietary supplements. Hormone imbalances may increase your risk of obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and other health conditions. Weight gain may be the most noticeable concern for some, but it is certainly not the most severe symptom of hormone imbalance. Other symptoms, including fatigue, depression, anxiety, decreased libido, and women may experience symptoms of PMS, infertility, have an irregular menstrual cycle, or reach menopause early. More serious conditions that can result from hormone imbalances include autoimmune problems such as cancer, leaky gut syndrome, thyroid, and degenerative brain disorders. Take these 5 action steps to help manage your hormones naturally and take back control of your weight and health. Number 1, great hydration. Number 2, healthy diet. Number 3, regular movement. Number 4, good sleep. Number 5, reduce your stress. So take the 5 action steps for hormone balance. Balancing hormones is crucial for overall health and well-being. Here are 5 action steps to help achieve hormone balance. Number 1, maintain healthy diet. Focus on whole and processed foods. Include healthy fats, avocado, nuts, seeds, olive oils, etc. to support hormone production. Consume adequate protein to stabilize blood sugar level. Eat plenty of fiber-rich fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to support gut health. Number 2, exercise regularly. Incorporate a, incorporate a mix of aerobic exercise, strength and training, and flexibility exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Avoid over exercise, which can negatively impact hormone levels. Number 3, manage stress. Practice stress reducing techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. Ensure adequate rest and relaxation to prevent cortisol imbalance. Consider mindfulness practice to improve emotional well-being. Number 4, prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Maintain a regular sleep schedule even on weekends. Create a calming bedtime routine and optimize your sleep environment. Dark, cool, and quiet situation. Number 5, consider supplements and herbal remedies. Consult with a healthcare provider about supplements like magnesium, vitamin D, and omega 3 fatty acids. Explore herbal remedies such as ashwagandha, maca roots, and evening primrose oil for hormone support. Ensure any supplements or herbs are taken under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Implementing these steps can help support hormone balance and improve overall health. If you want to learn more, contact us or see for the next 5 detailed videos like good hydration, healthy diet, regular movement, good sleep, and reduce stress. Thanks for watching this video.